This video describes how to download and use the NSRGet data collection tool for NetWorker. NSRGet should be used whenever a support request is opened with Dell to troubleshoot NetWorker. Run the tool on the server as well as any other affected storage node or client to generate bundles for the hosts involved in the problem. You can download the tool for either Windows or Linux Unix hosts from ftp.emc.com via command line or browser. The username and password are both NWC. It is also available from central.dell.com solutions networker-tools. You'll need a Dell account login to access this site. NSRGet.zip will create a bundle for all supported Windows hosts. NSRGet.tar should be used for all supported Unix-based hosts such as Linux, AIX, HPUX, and Solaris. Extract the tool to a temporary directory. This directory may be removed after the first run. Run the tool for the first time from within the directory you extracted it to. On Unix systems, ensure you prepend with /. The tool can be run with no optional arguments, although you'll be prompted for an SR number. Any number will do. Following the first successful run on all platforms, a symlink is added to the path so that you can run NSRGet anywhere. After the tool completes, the bundle path is reported at the end of the output, along with a log file. Provide this archive bundle to NetWorker support for analysis. Advanced options are available using the --? switch. For example, -p:\absolute path provide a different directory to create the bundle than the default of root Dell util. -g: policy name / workflow name, unquote, collect workflow and action logs for specific policy or workflow. Generally, failures of the tool are caused by failures of underlying components. If you encounter issues running the tool, check the last message before failure or hang. Provide the log file and screen output for NetWorker support to help investigate. Thank you.